Guys, welcome to Roughtown Raptors. Another edition. So what we're Raptoring today? Big van. Volkswagen Crafter. And just to give you an idea, if you're not familiar with Raptor paint, I'll show you now. This is Raptor paint. So it's a tough, hard-wearing pickup bed liner, which is what it was made for originally. But crazy people like putting it on the vans, and crazy people like putting it on other people's vans. And today we're doing this one. So basically what we're doing, we're going full black Raptor, and then I'm going to tint the Raptor with some gloss black, some really jet black, to try and make it even blacker, and do the plastics and the bumpers in black. Because Raptor can turn out kind of a matte black, so we're going to go for a darker black on the plastics to make them stand out, just to break it up a little bit, and the wheels. So yeah, so first thing we need to do is sort all the bodywork out, because there's a little bit, you know, it's a tidy, to be fair, it's a 13 plate, it's actually a tidy van, but it's just got little dents here and there, little bits. He's just had the windows fitted, so a couple of dents, nothing major really. Slight crease there, and bottom of the door, and then like I said, just little dents really, nothing big, little scratches. So yeah, but as you can see, it's actually a pretty straight van for its year as well, very good. And this is for a guy called Peter and his lovely wife Cassia. They got in touch, basically they'd seen my T5 Raptor video and loved it. It was actually that video that convinced his wife to let him have it done. So, no pressure. But yeah, there you go. Oh, actually there's a massive dent there. That's probably about the biggest dent actually, that one. And the front wing, I don't know if you could tell as well, the front end, it's had a bit of a knock here, so that one's sorting out. But like I said, nothing major, it's actually a really tidy van. And it just fits in the garage, literally just. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. So first thing to do, sort the bodywork out. Awesome. Okay, so a couple of days in, let's see where we're at. So put some filler in this side. As you can see, quite a bit, needs a bit more there, big one down there. Like I say, it wasn't too bad, that one there. It has had an impact at some point, because the front slam, the corner of it's missing there. As you can see there, where the headlight bolts, so somebody's fabricated some headlight brackets for it. This side, more stripped. I've already put some filler in and sanded it. If you can see, there's a little bit more, just a couple of places. This side's almost ready. This was probably the cleaner side to do. The roof's clean, and checking it out in the light, I'd say the back doors are probably the worst. There's a couple of dents up top up there, bit of a crease there, that's when I want painted, and then little bits here, and then the bottom of it wants straightening. So far, doing alright. So, crack on with a bit more bodywork. Right, so let's crack on, do a bit more bodywork, and then I'll get this filled. Yeah. It is going to look pretty epic when it's done though.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks, aftermath, when I hate I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't stop, stepping up, don't stop. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Step 1, wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake
On these,
This is
they don't.
Absolute Radio Country.
We just have to take the screw out. got the wheels off, ready to be raptored. Let's chuck it outside while I do it. Looking pretty badass, isn't it? Guys, so there you go, that was a walk around. The van is finished, finally. And just to give you a clue of the texture, if you can see it in the light there, it's got the nice gritty texture that we're looking for. Another van, Raptored by Roughtown Raptors. Beautiful, isn't it? Big Volkswagen Crafter. Vanislav. For Peter and for Cassia. And I think they'll be pretty chuffed with it. Looks badass, doesn't it? Better than your standard white van. So there you go, Vanislav, complete. Now all we need to do is wait for Peter and Cassia to turn up and see what they think to it. Let's go see what they think. That does look pretty good though, doesn't it? There we go, Vanislav is complete. And by sheer chance, not perfect timing at all, Peter and Cassie have just turned up, the guys who own it. Let's see what they think. Hello.
Vlogging.
Bit of vlogging. There's a lovely young couple who own it. Say hello.
Hello.
Vanislav is done.
That's one room van.
Looks good, doesn't it?
It does. It does look good.
Yeah.
Did you see the sticker? Oh no, the sticker! See it?
Wow, lovely.
Little touch there for you. Not copying the van's logo at all.
I mean, need the number plates yet.
Yeah, I didn't put them on for the yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. That was Peter and Cassia's Vanislav Volkswagen Crafter. Looking pretty badass. But now it's all done, complete and gone, as you can see. So, on to the next job. And what's next? Well, next one is something a little bit personal to myself. You have to watch the next video for that one, won't you? Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Adios.